Today, we'll break down a similar architectural case that appears on the AWS Solutions Architect exam. And believe me, it's very easy to make a mistake here. You're an architect at a company that just spent millions building a data lake. Terabytes of data are flowing into Amazon S3 and Amazon RDS for Postgres. Everything works like clockwork. And then, a message from the CEO lands in your Slack. We need beautiful dashboards as soon as possible. Management should see everything. Everyone else, only what they're supposed to. So, what do we have? A company has built a data lake on AWS. Data is stored in two places. Amazon S3, files, logs, whatever you want. Amazon RDS for PostgreSQL, structured data, tables, transactions. The task sounds simple. Create a data visualization solution. Connect both data sources. Management gets full access to all dashboards. Other employees, limited access. Seems straightforward, right? But the devil, as always, is in the details. We have 4 possible paths. Option A. Create an analysis in Amazon QuickSight. Connect all data sources, create datasets, publish dashboards. Share them via AWS IAM roles. Option B. Create Amazon QuickSight. Also connect all sources, create datasets, publish dashboards, but share them via users and groups. Option C. Go through AWS Glue. Create a table and crawler for S3. Run an ETL job to generate reports. Publish reports to S3. Restrict access via S3 bucket policies. Option D. Again, AWS Glue for S3. But for PostgreSQL, use Amazon Athena Federated Query. Generate reports via Athena, publish to S3, restrict with bucket policies. 4 options, 1 correct answer. Which architectural solution will you choose? Just think about it. You have 15 seconds. Let's start with wrong options. Option C. AWS Glue plus ETL with reports in S3. Sounds technically competent, right? But there's a problem. First, the Glue crawler only works with S3. But we also have PostgreSQL running in RDS. This option simply ignores half of our data lake. Second, we need visualization. Interactive dashboards. What does Glue give us? Static reports in S3. That's like bringing an Excel spreadsheet to a board of directors presentation. Option D. Glue plus Athena Federated Query. This one's trickier. Athena Federated Query can indeed reach PostgreSQL. Technically, you can connect both sources. But we fall into the same trap again. Where's the visualization? Athena generates reports. Text-based, tabular, boring. Management wants graphs, diagrams, interactive panels. And we're giving them CSV files in S3, plus managing access through S3 bucket policies. That's like locking a safe with a piece of string. Crude, inconvenient, and it doesn't scale. And now the most cunning option. Option A. QuickSight service. Connecting all sources? Yes. Providing dashboards? Yes. So where's the problem? IAM roles. This is where many people make mistakes. Amazon QuickSight has its own user management system. It does not use IAM roles for sharing dashboards. You can't say, "Hey, IAM role data analyst, here's a dashboard for you." QuickSight simply doesn't work that way. It has its own users, its own groups, its own access hierarchy. Option A is a trap for those who think everything in AWS revolves around IAM. And correct option is option B. Amazon QuickSight with sharing via users and groups. Let's break down why this is the perfect solution. First, QuickSight is a data visualization service. Not just reports, but interactive dashboards, graphs, drill-down analytics. Exactly what management wants. Second, QuickSight natively connects to both Amazon S3 and Amazon RDS for Postgres. 2 sources, 1 tool. Beautiful. Third, access control. In QuickSight, you create users and groups. The management group gets full access. The employees group gets limited access. Flexible, clean, and scalable. This isn't a hack with bucket policies. This isn't forcing IAM where it doesn't belong. This is the right tool for the right job. Finally, you can see the correct solution and architecture on the slide. Amazon QuickSight with sharing via users and groups. So what did we learn today? In AWS, it's easy to drown in an ocean of services. Glue, Athena, QuickSight, they all sound cool. But each tool is built for a specific purpose. Need visualization? Use QuickSight. Need ETL? Use Glue. Need SQL queries on S3? Choose Athena. And most importantly, IAM is not a universal key. Every AWS service has its own rules of the game. If you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. In the next video, we'll break down another interesting architectural case. Until then, don't drown in the data lake. See you!